Kendrapada MP and BJP National Vice President Baijant Panda celebrated his 63rd birthday on Monday with prayers and religious rituals at the Ma Saheshwari Temple in Salepur. The birthday observance saw a spiritual gathering where prayers were offered for Baijant Panda's good health, prosperity and long public life. The temple premises resonated with devotion as party leaders, workers and supporters came together to mark the occasion in a solemn manner. Several senior BJP leaders were present during the program. Cuttack District BJP Vice President Prafulla Swai along with BJP leader Himanshu Mahanti participated in the ceremony. They were joined by hundreds of BJP workers and well-wishers from the region, reflecting strong grassroots support for the senior leader. As part of the religious observance, Deep Dan or ceremonial lamp lighting was performed before Ma Saheshwari. Devotees offered prayers and sought divine blessings for Baijant Panda's continued service and well-being. The event highlighted not just a personal milestone for the Kendrapada MP, but also a moment of unity and collective faith among BJP members and supporters, concluding the birthday observance on a dignified and devotional note.
आज हूँ आमर मान्यवर सांसद राष्ट्रीय उपाध्यक्ष आम नेता आम माटीर ओडिशार जड़े गर्व गौरव परिचित व्यक्तित्व मान्यवर सांसद बैजंत पंडा 63तम जन्मवार्षिकी उपलक्षे आज आम टांगी सालेपुर निर्वाचन मंडली सालेपुर ठारे अधिष्ठात्री देवी माँ साहेश्वरी पीठरे सम दीपदान करागला।
माँ साहेश्वरी मंदिर रे आमे आज बहु संख्यार लोक एकाठी होई बैजंत पंडा 63तम जन्म दिवस रे आज प्रभु जगन्नाथ प्रार्थना कलु राजनीतिक जीवन उन्नति हो एवं स्वास्थ्य जीवन चलापथरे सब आगू को जातु।